Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Windows cannot find a computer or device name. Let's fix this guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. In control panel you need to category, select that and go to networks and internet. In network internet you need to go on network and sharing center. In left side you need to change advanced sharing settings. In advanced sharing settings you need to enable it, enable public folder sharing also, enable all of this. That's it. Go to next step. Next step you need to go to search menu and type Windows Features. Click on it. Scroll down guys. You need to find SMB 1.0 CIFSC file sharing support. You need to check box this and click OK. Restart. Windows needs to reboot your PC to finish installing the required changes. You need to restart now. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial definitely worked for you. Give me a thumbs up guys. Thank you.